What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and here they are. These are the fake Chinese Magsafe chargers from AliExpress. But not only that, I actually received some Magsafe cases as well, and I ordered a few, but I just received one leather wallet, a Magsafe leather wallet, but a couple of other Magsafe cases. So just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of these social medias, as I always put up sneak peeks on what to expect from Allsortzz. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so when I upload any video you'll actually be notified. So let's take a look at the Magsafe chargers first. Now, if you didn't see my previous video where I got the latest one, which is right here, this is the latest Magsafe charger, which also charges your smartwatch as well. You can actually see that on my previous video, but this is the latest one. This is the one previous, so we'll get that, see what this is like. So let's unbox this and check it out. So this is the first one that they did, and they actually released it, but obviously the latest one has come out and they've duplicated that as well. So what these fakers actually do, they always make a quick duplicate copy on some of the rumors that have come out. So here we have a Magsafe wireless charger. This is what it looks like. It doesn't have a smartwatch tilt where you can tilt it up to charge your smartwatch. You only have to place it on top of the charging pad. Take a look at the back. That's what it looks like. It actually folds up, and this is where you charge your smartwatch, and that's where you charge your Magsafe phone as well. I'm pretty sure you can charge any other wireless charger on that, but we'll have to check it out in the video. So as you can see, that's the import trademarks, made in China, as is everything else. So let's open this up and see what we get inside. But yeah, I purchased these from AliExpress just to see what these Magsafe accessories are like. But I'm just doing this video so y'all don't need to when it comes to searching on AliExpress and knowing what these are like. So here we have it. Check this out. Actually, it looks really and feels really nice, I'm not gonna lie. So here is how you open it. There we have it. Look at that. It's a really nice bright white Magsafe charging pad, and on the back you've got a few trademarks, made in China, as is everything else, and a few voltage inputs and outputs, as you can see. But yeah, it's not really heavy. You've got a USB Type-C port right there. I'm pretty sure that's to charge it. But just before we take a look at it in depth, let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we have a USB Type-C USB charging wire, and we also have the manuals right here. And that is how you use a Magsafe charger. So on the small one you can charge your smartwatch, on the big one you can charge your wireless earphones and also your phone as well. So just before we plug that in, we'll check the second one out, which is this one. This is a clone of the Magsafe charger that the original one is like. And yeah, taking a look at the back, as you can see, it's another duplicate Magsafe charger in different languages, specifications, input, output, dimensions and product weight, and that is how you use it, to be honest. So we're going to check it on my iPhone 12 Pro, made in China, as is everything else, and a few trademarks, and you can use it by USB Type-C. So opening this up, let's check it out. Pretty I don't know, it looks like it's being used already. Just look at that. But yeah, that is the Magsafe charger instructions. Definitely the same as the back, just copy and pasted onto a single sheet of paper, and some specifications at the back, as you can see right there. So a bit of plastic right there, and here is the charging pad. Look at that. It's definitely not placed in the middle. As you can see, the charging pad is placed in the more on the side. Let's open this up, see what it's like. That is what it's like, the Magsafe charger teardown. So if you wanted to know what the teardown was, that is what it's like of the Magsafe charger. I'm definitely not going to use this now, but it does actually say it's a 5, is it input, where is the wattage, as you can see on the back. So it actually supports 5 watt, 10 watt and 15 watt charging, but I'm pretty sure that's another fake as well. So as you can see right here, that's the charging coil, and that is what it's like. So if you understand that circuit board, then let me know. But it's pretty basic and cheap materials, to be honest. You can actually bend it if you put quite a bit of force into it. But that is what the fake Magsafe charger is like. Let's bring out the charging pad. Now what I'll do is I'll plug this in and show you how it charges up. Right, here we go. So let's put this on. And there we go. You've not even got the animation when it comes up as charging, and it doesn't, it sticks as well. So there is a magnet inside, as you can see here, and it's actually charging. It doesn't give you the animation from when it charges. So let's bring out my wireless AirPods, the Pro versions, to see if that actually charges it up as well. So placing them on top. Got no light on, to be honest. Oh yeah, we had a little one. So you've got to place these somewhere around the charging pad for these to charge. We had a little light, but like I said, you've got to place these properly. So now what I'm going to do is get out my watch, and here we have it right here, and see if that actually charges. Yep, as you can see, the Apple logo has come on, so that indicates that it's actually charging, because the smartwatch was off. Now it's on, it's actually charging, and the smartphone is actually charging. With these AirPods, you've got to place them at the right position just for them to charge. So that will probably take a while, because I don't even know where to place the coil. So we tear it down. Let's tear it down. See right here, you have got a little placement to put the watch in. So yeah, let's what we need to do now, I don't want to hit the coils inside, so we are going to try and open this up to see what materials we've got inside and what they use, because as you know, these are fakes. If you want to see a teardown of the original one, do let me know in the comment section below. But this is just cheap, as you can see. You've got a pad here which connects from this each side of the charging pads. Pretty cheap materials, to be honest. I need to check if the original one actually opens up this easy as well. If you want to see that, then I'll have to buy the original one, which are really expensive, I'm not gonna lie. So there we have it, that's it opened. It's just a little rubber around it and plastic to go over the charging coil. And that is how you open it. There we go, look at that. That is the, I'm pretty sure this is the smaller version, so this is where the watch goes and your wireless earphones. If you know about your circuit boards, that is the fake Magsafe charger. I think we do need to get the original just to show you what they are both like compared to each other. But that is the smartwatch version coming over to the Magsafe charger to charge your smartphone. And here we have it. A little bit different, as you can see here. So the reason why is because this little tape right here connects to this one, as you can see, and the main circuit board is in the smaller version where the smartwatch goes. but here is the Magsafe charger, and there's no, I think these underneath are the magnets. Let me just get my phone to see. So there's no magnets on the, oh yeah, the magnets are on here, are on the other side. I actually missed it. So yeah, that's the magnets, and that is the wireless charging coil for the fake Magsafe charger. You've seen the teardown of the Magsafe chargers. This is the leather case. Oops, it's a black one in the box and a green one on it, and it also comes with the logo. Check that out. Let me just get my phone out. I'm pretty sure it's you know, the magnet. Obviously, it does stick. Don't get me wrong, it does stick, but they're it's not as, I would say, it's easy enough to take off, to be honest. I don't know what the original ones are like. I'll have to get one. But yeah, what is it? Actually looks really nice. Let's break out one of the Magsafe cases and see what they are like on the phone. So here we have a clear case on a this is what I got from AliExpress as well. So it looks really nice on my iPhone 12 Pro. Let's check out. So this one, it actually sticks really hard. Wow, really hard. This one is actually better, much better. Wow, that's actually really good. Looks really nice as well. I'm actually going to leave that on. But there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was the Magsafe accessories from AliExpress. I just wanted to purchase these to show you what they are like. If you're actually looking on AliExpress to purchase Magsafe accessories or even chargers, here is what it's like. Make sure you share this video out. If you want to see the other videos, do let me know in the video comments. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again for another video.